Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again, and we have the November from the North Pole paper pumpkin kit. There's also the Good Things cards and envelopes add-on for this month that coordinates with next month as well. So I've got those, and it also coordinates backwards with the October 2022 kit, Ho Ho Ho. So lots of ways to mix and match this kit. So let's get started and open up and see what we've got. So the Good Things come in small packages is the December paper pumpkin kit. Again, coordinates with the Good Things and cards, envelopes and more kit. And it also coordinates backwards with the Ho 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 set. So we've got the instruction sheet. One thing I love about paper pumpkin is the colorful instructions. You've got your measuring tape down the side. The only thing you ever need is just a pair of scissors. So we've got full instructions. Coordinating colors on this one are basic black, cherry cobbler, crumb cake, mint macaroon, shaded spruce, and sweet sorbet. They give you some options for other ideas as well. And you can always look online on Paper Pumpkin and they will tell you more ideas also. And you can stay tuned here. So we've got our cherry cobbler stamped spot. We've got mint macaroon in our linen thread. Here's our stamp set. So we've got Ho Ho Ho, Open Me, From Santa, No Peeking, Merry Christmas, To, From, Joy, and this says Express Delivery, North Pole, and then the candy cane. We've got our adhesive dots and our dimensionals. Oh, we've got some more of those beautiful iridescent snowflakes. Here's our gift tag blanks and all the pieces we need to build our cards. And look at this. Isn't that just gorgeous? I'm probably blinding you on the camera with it, but these are actually banner gift tags. So we'll be using those, and then we have some snowflakes. You can see it better this way. They're all laser cut out. So in that, and then we have the basic bases for our tags as well. So looking forward to creating with this kit. Stay tuned for more of the videos.